Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class of computer science. Students, today we will read topics page layout and printing a document of lesson 3. Let's start. Page layout. Setting up margins. Margin refers to the space which is left from the edges of the paper on each side. You can set the space you want on all four sides of your page, that is top, bottom, left and right. Students, margin means amount of space or blank space which is left from the edges of a paper where the text begins to appear. MS Word allows you to set the margins on all four sides of the document, that is top, bottom, left and right. By default, margins are 1 inch from top and bottom and 1 inch from left and right side. Margins are important because they help to make document look neat and professional. Steps 2. Setting up margins. Go to Page Layout tab. Click on Margins. A drop-down list appears. You can choose any of the preset options. Normal is selected by default. Click on the last option, that is Custom Margins, to set your own margins. Page Setup dialog box will appear. In the Margins tab, increase or decrease the margins by clicking on the up or down arrow for top, bottom, left or right margins. Now click on OK button to set the margins. Setting page orientation. Page orientation is the direction in which a document is displayed or printed. MS Word has two types of orientation, portrait and landscape. By default, it is set to portrait, which means that the width of the page is less than the length of the page. In landscape orientation, the width of the page is more. Students, you can say that portrait displays the page in vertical order and landscape displays in the horizontal order. Steps to change the page orientation. Click on Page Layout tab. Click on Orientation button in the Page Setup group. Choose Landscape and you will observe the changes. Setting a paper size. You can change the size of the paper on which you want to print your document, but it depends on the printer that you use. Students, in MS Word, you can work with different sizes of paper like letter, legal, A3, A4, etc. But the available selection depend on the type of printer you use. Steps to change the paper size. Select the Page Layout tab. Select the size option. The default setting is A4, but you can change it. Choose the option that you want from the drop-down list. Printing a document. Your document is now ready to be printed. To see how it looks, MS Word has a print preview option. Printing a document is known as hard copy output. You can preview the document by click on print preview option. This option is used to view the page before any document gets printed. Steps to print a document. Click on the file menu. Click on the print option. The print dialog box will appear. You can also open the print dialog box by using the shortcut keys Ctrl plus P. Now in the print dialog box, you can see how your document will look. Choose the printer. In the printer box, in the print range, choose from the option present. The default is all. In pages, you can give a page number such as 2 or 3 or range like 2 to 4. If you want to print more than one copy, enter the number of copies in the number of copies box. Now click on print to print your document. Thank you and have a nice day.